YouTube चैनल सिटी शिफ्ट लर्न में आप सबका स्वागत है। इन टुडेज सेशन of laws of motion, very basics of graphical question and free body diagram will be cleared through illustrations. In earlier session, we have discussed this which you can review on Sethi chapter. In this case, illustrations were taken from JEE main, right? I will also like to request go through all these concept killing videos which are very useful for 11th standard, 12th standard, NEET and other entrance examinations, which you can also review on Sethi Shift. Now, let's start with the question. The question is, a lift is going up. The total mass of the lift and the passengers is 1500 kg. The variation, the speed of the lift is given by the graph as shown in the figure. What will be the tension in the rope pulling the lift at a time t equal to 1 second, 6 second, 11 second. Second part, what will be the average velocity and average acceleration during the course of entire motion, right? Through these illustrations, basic concepts of graphical questions and free body diagram will be clear, right? Now, we have to find the tension. Tension means free body diagram of the man. This is 1500 kg. Weight x are always downward. No. This will be tension in the string. This is moving with the acceleration A upward. This is moving with the acceleration upward. As motion is upward, so this will be dominating T minus mg equal to m into A. T will be equal to mg plus A. Right? Now we can find out T in the three different cases if we know the acceleration. To know the acceleration, now in graphical questions, if this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Agar y into x is there, think of slope, think of area, and y upon x is think of slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equal to tan theta, that is given by m. Right? In this case, we have to find the acceleration. Acceleration is OA is accelerated portion, AB is uniform velocity, BC is uniform retardation. Right? So acceleration during OA. Acceleration A1 during motion OA. Then acceleration A2 during motion AB and acceleration A3 during motion BC, right? In this case, A1 will be equal to, this will be A1. So we have to find the ratio. Coordinates point A will be x coordinates 2, 3.6. This is 0, 0. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 3.6 minus 0, A1 will be equal to 3.6 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 0, that is 1.8 meter per second square. 1.8 meter per second square. Second, in this case, speed is constant. For acceleration, there should be uniform increase in velocity. So therefore, acceleration A2 is 0. Line parallel. A2 equal to 0. Then acceleration A3. BC coordinates, this is a point 10, x coordinate is 10, y coordinate is 3.6. And this is 12, 0. This is 12, 0. A3 will come out to be y2 minus y1. So say this is y2, 0 minus 3.6 divided by 12 minus 10. That is minus 1.8 meter per second square. So we get the acceleration in the three cases. We get the acceleration A3 will be equal to minus 1.8 meter per second square. Now substituting values. A1 will be in first part, A2 will be in the second part, A3 third part. In this case, T निकाल लीजिए. In this case, T will be equal to M G plus A. In this case, T will be equal to M G plus 0. In this case, T equal to M G minus plus A. इसमें A put कर दीजिए 1.8 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. इसमें A equal to 0. इसमें A equal to minus 1.8 मीटर पर. M और G की वैल्यू पता ही है आपको. ठीक है. This is all about the tensions in different occasions during this period, during this period, and during this period. Second is the what is the average velocity? To find average velocity, to find average velocity. Velocity is displacement upon time. Total time is 12 seconds. Displacement you have to find it out. To find the displacement, area of trapezium. So area of trapezium is in this case area of trapezium half sum of parallel sides OC plus AB into distance between those. So OABC CDE into AD. On simplification, this comes out to OC is 12 plus AB equal to DE, that is 10 minus 8 into 3.6. 12 plus 8, 20, 10, 36 meter. Displacement comes out to 36 meter. Then displacement is 36, this, so 3 meter per second average velocity. And to find the average acceleration net change in velocity divided the total time. Net change in velocity is, finally velocity is 0, initial velocity, the change in velocity is 0. So net 0 divided by 12. 0 divided by 12, that is 0 meter per second square. These are the answers of all the parts. I think graphical questions में, again repeating, if it is the product, think of area. If it is the ratio, think of slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y upon x2 minus x1, that is mm equal to tan theta. Theta is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of axis. Positive direction होती है moving anti-clockwise. Right? Next. This is all about very basics regarding free body diagram. Tension is string में होगा, weight always acts downward, acceleration move body lift is moving upward, so T minus M is equal to M into A. In different three cases, we have found out T1, T2, T3. Right? Next question. Question is, a block of mass 25 kg. This is a block of 25 kg. Raised by the man, its mass is 50 kg. In two different ways as shown in the figure. What is the action on the floor by the man in two cases? If the floor acts to a normal force of 700 Newton. If the flow is normal, which mode should be the man adopt to lift the block without the floor yielding? एक पॉइंट दे रखा है तो फ्लोर is 700 Newton. Means in which case it force is less than 700 Newton, that will be favorable, right? Now, two cases are there. This is direct lifting. Direct lifting of a weight. This is lifting through a pulley. Lifting through a pulley. Right? Now, in the direct race, what is the free body diagram? Weight is acting 25 kg mg, and this is tension. This is same in both, right? And this is the object, and man का free body diagram क्या बनेगा? No, this is a man. Weight m into g. This is a normal n1, and this is tension T. Means this is the floor, this is the man weight. So both will, this is n1, this is नॉर्मल कह सकते हैं, रिएक्शन कह सकते हैं, कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स कह सकते हैं. X always such a way that they try to separate each other and not to stick together. Not to stick together. So this is clear. ये normal force exerted by the floor on the man is N1, and N1 is also the exerted by the man on the floor. Now, in this case, this is a M1, this is a M2. T equal to M1G. In this case, vertical motion is there, N1 will be equal to M2G plus T. T क्या है इसमें? M2G plus M1G. This comes out to be M1 plus M2 into G. M1 is 25 kg, this is 75 kg, 50 kg into 10. This comes out 57, 50, this is 50 kg. 75, 750 Newton. In case of direct lifting, force on the floor is yielding 750 Newton. So this will be not favorable. Second case, through pulley, M1, M2, 50 kg, 25 kg, 25G, tension. In this case, normal tension always acts in such a way that tighten the string not to lose it. Tighten the string not to lose it. Tension, and this is M2G, that is 50G. In this case, N1 will be equal to T plus N1 will be equal to 50G. So N1 will be equal to 50G minus T. T is 25G. 50 minus 25 into G, 10. 25, 22, 50 Newton. So this is favorable. This is favorable. So lifting through pulley is favorable. In this case, id force is less than 700 Newton, that is 250 Newton. In this case, it is 750 Newton. Direction of tension मैं बता दूं, direction of tension is always in such a way that it tightens the string not to lose it. According to that, you have to move it, right? Now, I will request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi, please like and subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.